What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's Speed Addict 731. My name's Ken. I'm gonna show you. Alright guys, that is the intro from the very first vlog video that I've done for YouTube. And it has been a year. I know it doesn't seem like it should be that long ago, but it's been a year ago already. And I was sitting back thinking about it today, and I came across the question to myself, has it been worth it? So I thought, why not just make a video on it? It's been a year. Let's do a video on, is it worth it? And let's kind of talk about my experience. I put my first vlog out on May the 14th, 2018. So it has been a year already. And man, it's been a fun one. I will say that it has been really fun. But has it been worth it? I put out 2 to 3 videos a week, every week, and that's what I do. I don't, I make sure that I get my content out. So, is it stressful sometimes? Yes. Because you don't always have all the time in the world to create the content. And then you got to figure out, okay, I got to do a video. What do I do a video of? Because the video kind of has to be structured somewhat. It kind of has to wrap around something that you're doing. So, it does get frustrating at times, and it does get stressful at times. So, I will say that much. Now, for me, one of the biggest things that I have enjoyed about the channel is being able to meet all the people that I've been able to meet through the channel. Not only YouTubers, but subscribers. There are people that I have met, subscribers, that I still stay in contact with to this day. For example, Jeremy, which has his own YouTube channel now, Pony 1992. But Jeremy, I met him at Mustang Week, and he came up to me. He's one of my subscribers. I had 400 subscribers, so to actually have a subscriber reach out to me saying, "Hey, I'm at Mustang Week. Can we meet? Can we hang out? Do something?" And I was like, "Yeah, why not? Let's do it." So I met him, and really down to earth, really good guy. And he kind of hid from my camera when I was filming his car a little bit and everything else. But now he has his own YouTube channel, which, man, I'm so happy for him. And he's actually gaining some ground on it. It's a really good channel too. He's got that Coyote drag car. He says it's a street car, but it's a drag car. He's got a 16 GT. He's got 73 Nova that he's doing an LS swap on right now. So he's got a lot of stuff that he's doing with his channel, and I see that channel growing into a pretty good sized channel one day. I really do. But that's just one of the subscribers that I've met through YouTube that I stay in contact with. Not only subscribers, but other YouTubers. So many that I've personally met, and just really good people. And you know, one of the YouTubers that I actually knew before I started YouTubing, and before he started doing YouTube, is Caleb from Foxcast. And I kind of got to give it to him. You know, he's one of the ones that pushed me into doing vlogs. I was doing like drag strip videos and stuff like that, and he kept putting me on his channel and asking me stuff and getting me to talk, and it kind of got me a little used to the camera. And then, you know, he was one of the ones that pushed me into making my channel, and I'm really thankful for that, because had he not gave me the nudges here and there, I might not have, you know, started the channel and got it to where it is today. Now, I'm not a huge channel by no means. I'm 3,300 subscribers, but when I started my first vlog a year ago on May the 14th, I was at 24 subscribers from having the drag strip videos, and now a year later I'm at over 3,300 subscribers and growing. And I can't thank my subscribers enough for that. All you guys that come to my channel, you watch my videos, you comment, you help support the channel, I am so thankful. You don't know how much all you actually mean to me, and the fact that you actually take time out of your day to come and watch my channel, comment on my channel. And then those of you that come into live chats, man, that's so awesome. If you've never been to one of my live chats, I do them on Thursdays. Right now it's at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. I try to do every Thursday, and I try to do it for an hour or two just kind of gives me time to get in there, kind of, you know, answer questions you might have that stuff that I'm not going to talk about in the video or might not think to talk about in the video. You can come in and ask, and it's just simple. Sometimes it's just simple, just BSing around and just having a little fun, you know, talking with each other, joking around, and it's fun. I highly enjoy it. It's my chance to talk with my subscribers, and they get a chance to ask questions. Right. So now, talking about all this, so was it worth it? Yes. Yes, so worth it. Not only the people I've met, but I love sharing and creating content, sharing my passion for cars with you guys. I highly enjoy it. Any of y'all that have ever met me, or if you've ever talked to anybody that's personally met me, they will probably tell you that I could talk your head off for hours about cars. Now, you get me on any other subject, you're probably gonna lose me, because that's since I was a kid, you know, cars, trucks, anything with an engine that moved, I was interested in. I know a lot of you see, you know, Fords and Mustangs on my channel, because that's what I'm most passionate about, the vehicles I'm most passionate about, but I love them all. So being able to share that passion with you guys has been awesome. And I highly enjoy it, and I'm gonna keep doing it as long as you guys keep watching. But right now it's getting dark, it's getting late. So real quick though, I am gonna have this car at the track Friday night. We will be running this car at the drag strip Friday night. Also, I hope to have the wife's cars there also. So we're kind of going to see the improvements on this car and the wife's car and see how much they've improved. The DA is probably going to be a little higher than it has been, but we'll look at that when we get there. But anyway, guys, right now I'm going to take you down a little trip down memory lane through my past year on YouTube, and I hope you enjoy it. So we got the auto exhaust off. Didn't take much time at all. Oh, Ken, you've arrived. Yes, I have. What are we in here doing?
Well,
dude, the sun coming through has got a nice glow on you. You almost look angelical, but I know better. So we got that car going. I'm not sure how much more he's going to be doing to that car, but drove down the road. Drove it down the road. I'm not tall enough. You know, that is, I don't know. But no, I mean, you can adjust pedals.
Yeah,
hey,
true.
You can adjust steering wheel. Look.
You see, you're on to something here. See,
but now, Dover, when you build this car, I know it's going to be uncomfortable for you, but build it around me, like the steering wheel and the pedals.
And we'll make it
build it around. I can't see over the hood.
Hey, look.
So we are heading out. It is hot in this truck.
It just got started.
Just got started. I know.
Cut me some slack, man.
All right, now you're supposed to have this thing cooled up and, you know, cooled up. Cooled off and ready.
I have hijacked Ken's camera. Ken hijacked your camera.
You have not guessed the car. It is the one and only
Black Mamba. That's right.
We are about to head out to Mustang Week, and I am waiting on Caleb to get here. Caleb says I'm always late, but ladies and gentlemen, he is not here, and I am waiting on him. It's about 3:50 in the morning, and I'm still sleepy. I'm gonna be honest with you. We do have a celebrity in the house.
A celebrity.
Guys, this is
Xander 13.
Yeah. Man, that wine. It takes me so back to the 03 Cobra.
It is so intoxicating. To 30.
First gear spin. That's second gear Caleb actually went back and to the shop for me to get some footage to be able to share with you guys.
Let me tell you something. A driver don't pick the car. Car pick the driver. It's a mystical bond between man and machine. It's a mystical bond between man and machine. Car pick the driver.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I thought you were gonna see Speed Addict 731 today, didn't you? Nope, not today. It's 5.0 Filroy edition.
I ain't fit you like a glove, dude.
We are at the Ford takeover, and despite the rain forecast, we have actually got quite a few Mustangs out here. We know everything's good, so we can finish. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.